Hello, ISD students. It's Mr. Bauer from Nowlin Middle School, and today's lesson is about spies during the Civil War. But before you do your lesson about spies, let's build some background knowledge. What was the Civil War? The Civil War was a war in the United States between the Northern United States and the Southern United States, also known as a Union and Confederacy. It lasted from 1861 to 1865. Why did this war happen? What led to the outbreak of a war between the North and the South? There were three big reasons: economics, states' rights, and territorial expansion. But if you look closely, you'll notice there's a big theme that falls within all three of those reasons. That is slaves and the institution of slavery. The war was fought about the economics and political control of this institution. So, who fought this war? The war was fought between the Union and the Confederacy, also known as the North and the South. At the start of the war, the Union had 19 free states and 4 border states, which were slave states. The Confederacy had 11 slave states. If you look at the picture on the right, you'll notice the locations of these two sides. The blue is the North and the red is the South, with the border states being sandwiched between the two sides. So, what people wanted? People in the North and South hoped for an early victory. They hoped that this war would be over quickly. What people got? The Civil War went on for 4 long years and killed hundreds of thousands of Americans and injured even more. How to win a war in simple terms, or how to win this war in simple terms. For the Union, it was to keep the South as part of the United States and abolish slavery. For the Confederacy, it was to remain separate, to be their own country, and to keep the institution of slavery. How do you do this? You do this by winning more battles, disabling the other side's means of production, or capturing key objectives. There's another valuable tool you can use to help win this war, and that was spies. We're not talking about this guy, but we're talking about these people. In today's lesson, Spies during the Civil War, you will be learning about spies during the Civil War and what they did. Also, you'll be practicing social studies skills and keeping your brain sharp during this downtime, and that's very important. Go ahead and begin the lesson and have fun. Thanks for tuning in.